Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. I'm super excited right now because finally the weather's broke. I'm getting ready to get out my 2015 Supercharged Mustang. It's my road race car. Done a lot of One Lap of Americas with this. If you're not familiar with the One Lap of America, you should Google it. It's a really killer 8-day race. You run about 19 events, but right now this is about preventative maintenance and putting this car on the dyno. So every time I get my Mustang out at the beginning of the year, I always do some preventative maintenance because when I go drive it, I don't want to have problems down the road. So check this out. The first thing we're going to do to this car today is we're going to do a new air filter. This actually air filter is pretty smoked. So it's even got some, check that out. Got a bee inside there. You can clean these. What I like to do is use a brand new one and then I might clean my old one and save that for next time. So I'm going to do that. Definitely going to put in a set of 2-step Kohler spark plugs. These spark plugs right here are NGK. Awesome. Going to do that. Along with change of oil, something I do every single time I get the car out of storage. And I'm definitely going to do a new blower belt. Routine maintenance right here, blower belt. I don't need this coming off when I decide to start racing this year. And the last thing I'm going to do, some supercharger oil, which is basically changing the oil in the supercharger. That's also what I do. So basically I'm going to do all this maintenance right now. And I'm going to look the car over. There's a couple more things I might do. I'm going to put this thing on the dyno and see if the numbers come out to exactly where I think it should be. And then I'm going to go out and enjoy it. All right, car's on the dyno, maintenance complete, but a couple things I wanted to mention is when we had it on the lift and we were addressing all the maintenance, we went ahead and flushed the brake fluid out with the synthetic fluid. It was getting a little dark. This car does see a lot of track time, so it's a perfect opportunity to do that. So when I'm out on the track later this year, I don't face any problems with some brake fluid that's been overheated too many times. And then also this car does have a JLT oil separator. And we noticed when we checked the throttle body, it wasn't very dirty at all. There wasn't a lot of oil inside the supercharger, and that's what the JLT oil separator is meant to do. Prevent the oil from going in the blower or your naturally aspirated engine, which what happens is when the oil goes in, it does degrade the octane, which we do not want on the supercharged car. Check it out. This is a JLT 3.0 oil separator right here. Super cool. They're plug and play. Very easy to install. Very easy to dump the fluid out. And it did have some fluid in it, so we cleaned that out, and now we're ready to rock on the dyno. Let's see what it makes. There you go. I hope you enjoyed watching that dyno video as much as I enjoyed making it. It's been a long winter here in Indiana. I've been really excited to get this car out, and that was a lot of fun. It made really good power. So remember, preventative maintenance. I do it to all my vehicles all the time, and I'm super busy, so when I get my car out and I go to the track, or I just want to go on a spin, I don't want to face these problems down the road, so I'm addressing them before they happen. Car made, let's look, 630 to the tires, and 511 torque. I'm happy with that. That's right where it should be with a Roush Supercharger and a set of Cook's headers on a stock engine. So this car's filthy. I'm going to give it a bath. I'm going to go out and take it for a spin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and if you have a question or comment about your preventive maintenance, leave it. I'd be happy to answer. Thanks. So everyone, Brent from Brenspeed, just trying to do a video here on my Mustang, and my dad keeps stopping by and doing drive-bys on me, and there's my dad right there just disrupting my video I'm making on his Triumph.